Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share.
In this video, I am going to discuss how to find the inverse of a matrix manually, okay, as well as using a calculator. How we can find the inverse of a matrix here, okay. Then let me define first inverse of a matrix. That is, if A and B are square matrices of same order, then same order such that you can write, okay, such that A into B is equal to, or B into A is equal to, if you are reading identity matrix, then B is called inverse of a matrix A, okay, and is denoted by A inverse, A raised to minus 1, okay. Then to find out A inverse, we are using adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, provided determinant of A is not equal to 0. If determinant of A is equal to 0, then every element of that will become infinity. That's why determinant of A must not be equal to 0. That is, it is a non-singular matrix. A must be non-singular matrix. Non-singular means determinant of A is not equal to 0. Okay. Then here, how to find the adjoint? Then here, adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a square matrix. To find out adjoint of a square matrix, okay, say for example, let me call matrix A is equal to, I will take a 2 cross 2 matrix first, A11, A12, A13, sorry, A21, and it is A22. Okay, therefore adjoint of A is equal to matrix capital A1, okay, and the A11, capital A12, A21, A22, where capital A is equal to, okay, where capital A11 is equal to determinant, okay, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. This is first, and determinant leaving that row, leaving that column, that is A22. Like that, A12 is given by minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, and the determinant leaving that row, so leaving the column, leaving that row, that is A21. Similarly, A21 is given by minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, and the determinant leaving that row, leaving that column will become A12, and A22 is given by, and it's a transpose, that is also important, and it's a transpose will become your adjacent, okay. Then here minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 and A11. These are called cofactor of element A11, okay. This is nothing but the cofactors. These are cofactor of corresponding elements. These are called cofactors of corresponding elements. Like that, okay. Here, and the only this determinant is known as minor of that particular element. This is for a 2 cross 2, Like that 3 cross 3, what happens? Okay, let me take another matrix. Let me denote it by same A11, A12, A13. Next A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, then adjoint of this matrix A is given by, I will write it directly in the table as matrix form only. Adjoint of matrix A is nothing but first element minor of this A11 is nothing but leaving that row, leaving that column, this determinant, small determinant, leaving that row, leaving that column, that is A22, A23, next A32, A33. This is a minor of A11, and if you multiply minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, that will become cofactor of that particular element. Then minor of A12, leaving that column, leaving that row, next determinant will become A21, A23, next A31, A33, and minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. This will become cofactor of the second element. Like that, cofactor of the third element. Like that, cofactor of A13 is given by minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, and the determinant leaving that column, leaving that row, that is A21, A22, A31, A32. Okay, like that for all 6 elements, the cofactor of A21 is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, that's a fix, and here leaving that row, leaving that column, A12, okay, and A13, A32, A33. Like this for all elements of cofactors I am writing. I am coming back with the answer here. You can write this now. Okay, after writing the cofactors of each and every element, that matrix transpose we have to take. That is important. Don't forget to this one. That matrix transpose we have to take. That will become our what I can say, it is a cofactor adjoint of the corresponding matrix. Okay, all these things, how to find out adjoint and inverse of a matrix, I will explain with an example now. This is a given matrix. To find out its inverse here, first of all, let us check whether it is a singular matrix or a non-singular matrix. For that, determinant of A I have to find out. For determinant of A is given by 1 into 8 minus 2 into minus 3. Determinant to solve that, 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. Okay, then I have to find out the adjoint of a matrix. To find out adjoint of a matrix, adjoint of a matrix A is given by minus term, okay, or plus, first plus minus plus, sorry, minus plus, and it's a transpose. Okay, minor of this 1, leaving that row, leaving that column, 8. Okay, then minor of minus 2, leaving that row, leaving that column, that is a minus 3. Then minus 3, leaving that row, leaving that column, minus 2, and for 8 it is a 1. Okay, therefore its minor will become, that is adjoint will become 8, 3, okay, 8 transpose also taking, and this is a 2 and 1. This is a adjoint of a matrix A. Then A inverse is given by adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Determinant is 1 by 2, adjoint is 8, 2, 3, 1, or in the decimals also you can write, that is 8 divided by 2 is 4, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. This is the inverse of the matrix. And how to find out this one? Using calculator directly. Okay, this is manually how calculated. Then how to calculate it from the calculator? To find out it from the calculator, first of all, the mode of the calculator must be in terms of matrix. You can just see here no matrix is represented there. Therefore, if you press mode button, matrix mode 6 operation you'll get. Okay, then you are finding here, if you press AC button, you will get mat, and in a square matrix, in a square representation of 4 matrix is there. For that I have to enter this matrix first. Okay, for shift 4 dimension I will choose of the matrix. Which matrix? I will select a matrix A. Okay, dimension of that matrix is 2 cross 2, that is 5. Okay, I will enter the elements 1, then press equal to, then minus 2, then equal to, minus 3, equal to 8. Okay, then AC button, that matrix is stored in that. I have to find out its matrix. First I will check your determinant. Okay, how to find out determinant? Shift 4 again. Shift 4, det is there, 7. Determinant of which matrix? Matrix A I have to recall again. That's why shift 4, matrix A represents 3. Okay, close the bracket, equal to, you will get the 2. Determinant of matrix A is 2. Now I have to find out inverse. Okay, again press AC button, recall first matrix A. Shift 4 to recall matrix A number 3. Matrix A is come raised to minus 1. X raised to minus 1 is there, that you can use a raised to minus 1 and equal to. If you are pressing, you will get the required answer. 4, 1, 1.5, okay, or 3 by 2 and 0.5 or 1 by 2. This is a inverse. Like that, for third order also I will explain here now. Okay, okay, I have to find the matrix inverse of this matrix 3 cross 3. For that reason, first I have to check whether the matrix is a singular matrix or not. That is, the determinant of A is equal to 0 or not, I have to find out. Therefore, determinant of A is equal to 1, 0, minus 1, 3, 4, 5, 0, minus 6, minus 7. I have to solve this. 1 into minus 28 and minus of minus plus 30, minus 0 into everything will become 0, minus 1 into plus of minus will become minus 1 into minus 18 minus 0, which is equal to 2 minus 0, and here plus 18, which is equal to 20. Determinant of A is equal to 20. I am getting non-zero determinant. Therefore, inverse exists there. Then how to find out adjoint? Adjoint of matrix A is nothing but, first of all, I will give the sign for all them, plus, minus, okay, and then plus, and again minus, plus, minus, and then plus, minus, plus. Alternative plus minus is, and it's a transpose. Important thing is also, okay. Then the minor of 1, leaving that row, leaving that column, this one, okay, minus 28, minus of minus plus 30. Minor of 0, leaving that column, leaving that row, that is a minus 21, minus 0. Then minor of minus 1 is leaving that row, leaving that column, that is a minus 18, minus 18, minus 0. Like that, minor of 3, leaving that row, leaving that column, 0 into 7, 0. And next, minus 6 into minus 1 will come minus 6. Like that, I will calculate all of them and I will come back. Okay, now I will take the transpose also and I will calculate. That is minus plus 2, and here 21, and here it will come minus 18. Okay, next plus 6, and it is minus 7, then it is plus 6. Like that, in transpose also I am taking together. Therefore, it is 4 minus 8. Next, it is 4. Okay, like this, I have taken the adjoint of the matrix. Then A inverse is given by adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. That is 1 by 20 into 2, 6, 4, 21, minus 7, minus 8, minus 18, 6, 4. This is the required inverse. Same thing I will calculate from the calculator, and I will show you. The calculator, you can just see the mode is in the mat mode. Then on the overhead button of 4, matrix also is printed there. And then I have to enter this matrix first. For that, I will do shift 4. It will ask for dimension 1. Dimension of a matrix A only I will select. Dimension of matrix A is 3 cross 3. Therefore, first option, I will enter the elements 1 equal to 0 equal to minus 1 equal to 3 equal to 4 equal to 5 equal to next 0 equal to minus 6 equal to minus 7. This matrix has been entered here. Then you can operate a AC button so that the matrix A is stored in that. Its determinant I have to check first. Okay, to find out its determinant, shift 4, DET option is there. Okay, 7. And determinant of matrix A, shift 4. I have to recall that matrix A, that is 3 option. Close the bracket. You can just check determinant, I can find out easily. Okay, like that. How to find out inverse of this matrix? What I have calculated here, inverse. This one I have to check. Okay, to check that one, I have to first recall matrix A. Shift 4. Okay, matrix A is option 3 and its inverse x raised to minus 1. Okay, equal to, if you are pressing, you are getting all the elements. Okay, 1 by 10. Okay, if you are multiplying that to 20 inside, 2 by 20 is 0.1, 1 by 10, like that, 0.6, everything. Okay, this is how to find the inverse of a square matrix. Okay, like this, in next videos, I'm going to discuss on how to find the rank of a matrix or some other properties of the determinants I'm going to discuss. If you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment and also share this video. Thank you friends.